Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ganyusu Jamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress website in a short amount of time. So, this should literally take you about less than an hour, probably depending on how quickly you watch this video, maybe less than 10 minutes. So, essentially, what you want to do if you know what website you want to build. In this instance, we want to build a multi-vendor website. So a multi-vendor website is like your Takealot, your Sheen. So we're going to be building a website similar to that, right? So essentially, the first thing that you want to do when you're searching online, right, is that we're going to be looking for a thing called a WordPress theme. So essentially, this is like a skin, or literally, this will be how your website shall or skeleton will look like. And in some website themes, they provide demo content. So what we're going to do here is type best uh, multi multi-vendor WordPress theme. So just type that. And the trick here, ladies and gentlemen, to save our time and to save our efforts, we want to look for a list like this, but like by A themes or color lib. Oh, here we go. So we're going to click here. We recommend A themes or color lib. They've been literally the best type of, I think, developers. They categorize the best themes that are available. So we are only going to see WordPress websites that are multi-vendor websites. So websites that look like Takealot or Sheen. Um, as we see here, you can have a look. So potentially our website will look like that. So you scroll down until you see something that you like. You definitely want to first see a demo. Um, and basically, what we're going to do here is that we're going to take the labor out of building and designing out a theme, and we're going to pick a theme or website that we like for our business. So this looks very, very, very nice. So let's see the demo for Aora. Okay, now we're here on the platform. So this is a paid theme. So I'll do one video of how to build a website using paid themes, and then I'll do one showing you how to build a website not using paid themes. But paid themes make your life easier, make things more quicker, and there's technical support just in case you make any mess ups. I highly, highly recommend to use this. And if you have your own website agency, this is probably the best way for you to go about building websites. So if there's any changes that the customer wants to make, you can delegate to your support team from whoever buys it. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to walk through this template. So these are all the plugins that are required here from this website. And now we're going to see pre-built home pages. So the pre-built home pages, so we're going to select this one. And I'll show you how this one looks. Um, so this is going to look like this. So what you see is what you get. So essentially, what we want to do is we want to buy this theme, download the theme, and this is how our products that we are going to be drop shipping. This is how we'll display them. The reason why I want to use a multi-vendor website is because we don't know which product's going to be successful yet. So you want to figure out first which product makes a sell through here, and then from there we can decide, okay, cool, are we going to build a private brand around that specific product? It's called private label e-commerce. But what's nice about this theme is that it's very well and well placed, aesthetically spaced out quite nicely. It's got a daily flash sale, and we can remove and add some stuff which I'll show you. And it's got some nice features here to create engagement. And this is the kind of store that we want our customers to come to when we run adverts. Make them feel like it's a highly credible store while functioning fast and everything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy this theme, and then I will show you how to download it and install it onto your WordPress, and we will have this website on our domain. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to buy this theme. So all you're going to do is type in all these details here. And then once you have put this theme, I'm going to show you how to install it onto your WordPress website. So now once you've made the purchase, you should see payment complete. And now you want to find out a way to see your downloads. So you're going to come to, once you sign up into Envato, you're going to come here and you can go to downloads. And now your most recent purchase should be up on top here. And then what you want to do, you want to say download. And you want to say installable WordPress files only. This is the only thing you want to download. See, now that you have bought the theme, I'm going to show you how to install it onto your WordPress and how to install the demo content. So where you want to go is that you want to go to appearance, right? So once you've downloaded the actual file, the WordPress installable files, you want to ensure that you've converted it from files into a zip folder. So when it comes here onto our WordPress dashboard, you go add new, then you're going to choose your file. So you're going to compress your folder into a zip format. After you've converted it, you install it and let WordPress do its thing. And then what you want to do over here is that you want to go activate. Pretty much activated your theme. But with all themes that you buy, there are installations that come with the theme. So plugin installation. So plugins are, it's like a piece of code that allows you to have specific functions on your website. So everything's been automated. So all you want to do is begin installing plugins. So all you do, you just say click all, and you say install. This process might take a bit of time, so please be patient. So it seems like all installations have been completed. Let's go return to require plugins installer just to make sure. Now we just click all the same, and now after we install, we want to activate. And we go activate all. So now all your plugins have been installed. And what we want to do is go back to appearance. We want to go theme set, and all you want to do is just click along. So we're going to say start. So this is a wizard. This literally makes our life so much easier because we will now begin to install all the things that are required to be installed. So they say install the child theme. We click install here. And then we say, let's import content to your website to help you get familiar with the theme. All we do is import. Remember to stay on this page, guys. Do not move anywhere. Do not click anything. Be patient and wait for the download to happen. And now it should be installed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to view our website, and we should see a completely different website. it should look exactly like the theme that we bought. Here we are. Give you a quick scan, and this has automatically come onto your website. We haven't done any amount of work. All the flash sales, all the content is already there, and this is exactly what we want. So right now you can see maybe the pictures need to be loaded, but we're gonna swap out all these images and these products to fit our images and products. We're gonna change the price and all that, but we are gonna be good. So in the next video, I'm just gonna literally show you how to edit the information on your homepage, and yeah, you should be good.